As previously discussed, a GIS is made up of layers that store data that you wish to display. Today we're going to take a deeper look at how to access that data. For the purpose of this video, I've currently got a volcano status layer displayed on my map, whereby each point, according to the United States Geological Survey, is an active volcano. You can see that when I click on one of these points, a pop-up is made available, displaying some information about that point, such as its name and alert level. However, this isn't all of the information available for this entire layer. If I navigate back to my Layers menu, which I can make available by clicking on the Layers tab over here on the left-hand side, then I can click on the three dots beside that layer I want to find more information about. This will allow me to select from a variety of more options. The one I'm interested in this time is Show Table. This should now display on the bottom of the screen what is known as either a field or attributes table. But essentially, each of these feature classes available in my Layers menu is made up of one of these tables, whereby each row represents an object within that layer, and each column represents something about that object. Each of these columns is what we call either a field or an attribute. So for example, this volcano status layer is made up of multiple volcanoes, each of which is stored in their own individual row. So for example, this volcano will be represented by a row, as with this one, and so on and so forth. And information about each one, such as their name or alert level, is stored in fields that are visually represented as columns on this table. These fields will become useful much later when we begin to label each of these objects and we need to decide what information we want to display.